Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of reserved rights token friends. A lot of people message me that kindly please make a video on reserved rights token friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and also like this video for a new video notification friends. Don't forget to subscribe friends. If you look the reserved rights token, so the price change occur in the last 1 hour as absolutely, as you can see here, the change occur as a negative 1.41% change occur in the last 1 hour and the reserve rights token freeze. The high price of the reserve, as you can see here, the 0.0758 at USD dollar is a high price of reserve rights token in the last 1 hour freeze. If we look the technical analysis of the graph, so it tells us that now, as you can see here, that is a support level, let's suppose, and that is a resistance level friends. So they continue has traveled between these two lines. That's mean that after a fast there is a jump, and now at this time they're falling down. So after a fast there is a jump. Maybe they goes upward in the future, and maybe they again fast down. They continue has period after falling. So we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies, but a lot of chances today move upward. 70% chances today move upward, and 30% chances today falls down freeze. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes in the previous last 1 day freeze. As you can see here, the change occur in the last 1 day in a rights token is about negative 22.25% change occur in a rights token in the last 1 day freeze. In the high price is about 0.09579 USD dollar is the high price of reserve rights token in the last 1 day freeze. So if we look the price prediction of the reserve rights token in the last 1 day, so as you can see here, it continuously falling occur in reserve rights token. So as you can see here, if we let's suppose the price prediction, if we look the technical analysis of the reserve rights token, so as you can see here, now let's suppose that is a support level, let's suppose, and that is a resistance level, as you can see here at this time. So now as you can see here, at this time the fast occur in the resistance in the reserve rights token. So after a fast there is a jump, so maybe there is a lot of chances to take a jump. That is why I told you that if you are a holder of the rights token, so please kindly hold your rights token and make a good amount of profit in the future friends. So what's your opinion about rights token? When you as you agree me, so please kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.